Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide video, I'll show you how to fix Windows boot error your PC device need to be repaired. If you're seeing this sort of information or in this sort of interface, then what you need to do is to fix it. So you have a couple of different methods you could try it out. So the error can also happen on the Windows Vista and Windows 7 system, but without your PC needs to be repaired title on your screen as well. The error screen always has the error code mentioned, so you could use the error code to troubleshoot why your computer does not work. Your PC needs to be repaired screen below the file row or at the error code row. So what you have to do is to recover your PC needs to be repaired. The boot configuration data for your PC is missing and contains error as well. So you'll also need to use the recovery tools such as installing media, or if you don't have any installation media like disk or USB device, contact your system administration or PC manufacturer. You could see the information. Or else what you could do is you could also try pressing F8 or for startup settings, or you could actually restart your device. That should be able to help you out as well. If the issue still persists on, you could also use Easy Recovery Essential. So you just have to download the Easy Recovery Essential. Make sure to note your Windows version as well. How to burn the bootable iOS image very carefully, as making the bootable CD can also be tricky and alternative as well. Apart from it, what you could do is, in order to fix and remove your PC needs to be repaired error that's preventing you from starting Windows 8, you'll need to identify the error code as well. You could read about this in the website as well, and you could find about the error code, or you could also remove peripheral and handyware. So remove unnecessary peripherals from your computer except your mouse and a keyboard, and start and restart your computer and see that works or not. So these are a couple of different things you could try in order to fix it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.